You're right in line with the tree when you do this move. Go. You got this.
Come on.
You got this. Nice. Yeah, you got this. There you go. Nice all the way. You got that. Yes, dude. You got this.
Nice. Come on.
You're good, you're good.
Keep it tight. You got it. Come on.
You're good, you're good. Lock it in. Nice, dude.
Nice.
Nice.
You always pick on that.
Because it's fucking lichen.
It's just dirty. I don't think I'm actually doing it wrong.
No, I think there's just not much to give us.
Well, there she goes.